Thank you for taking the time to join us to walk through RugSimple's cleaning module. We've set up a series of videos into a playlist so you can watch them back to back or jump around to different sections. What you're going to see is an example of how the system can be run, that there are many settings so you can adapt the system to run your business the way that you want to run it. So let's get started. So let's just run through a typical cash and carry order. So a customer comes in to your cash and carry area carrying a couple rugs. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to ask them how many rugs and whether or not they've used your services before. So when taking an order, you can take an order, you can take a quotation, and you're going to ask them how many rugs. So they're going to say here's 2 items, and that automatically creates an order with 2 ghost items here. Now you're going to try to find the customer. So you're going to search for the customer, and you're going to search by phone number or last name. If the person does not exist, then you can create a customer. Pretty straightforward process. Salutation, name, company if they have one, and all the locations are geolocated. So 34 Michigan Avenue. And you can break this down by phone number, home number, work, mobile. It's important that you try to separate home and mobile because the system does use SMS capability. So you can only send an SMS or a text message to a mobile number. And you can also capture email. That's going to take me back to the customer or to the order. You can see my information is filled in here and it has a GPS coordinate for that location. I'm just going to delete this and I'm going to add a different customer that has some other functionality built in. Oops. So this customer, I've set up a discount that is automatically applied when you add certain types of services. You can have discounts be applied based on certain roles in the company as well. So if you are in cash and carry area, you have what are called app modes, and you can assign discounts to app modes. So if you're creating an order while you're in app mode cash and carry, then you can, for example, automatically give someone 20% off the cleaning. In this case with Nancy Drew, I have set up a discount for 30% off cleaning. So here are my 2 ghost items that they brought in, and I'm going to start to add services. I'll add them to both items. And I'll do cleaning and stain protection. So you can see right away that I have my cleaning listed underneath this item, and I have a stain protection treatment listed under this item, as well as my discount that was automatically applied because it was assigned to this customer of 30%. Now I don't have quantities in here yet because I haven't inspected the rugs to determine their size, their square footage. You can do that directly from the order by editing the parent and putting in a number of descriptions here: red, Cara, and this is 5.7 by 9.11. Oops, 9.11, which is 9 feet 11 inches. You can set this up as an estimate, or you can have this tied to other services so that when if your sizing has changed, then it'll update your service costs as well. So you can see that what we're doing now is we're starting to build a list of work that has to happen underneath this rug. At this point, you can print your rug tags, and that will print out to any printer that you have set up, and tag the rug and put it onto the cart.